Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 337 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Santee concealer that I got from ShopMissA. I have this in the shade 4. I think this comes in 8 different shades though, but it's only $1. It's cruelty free. So even though this is a concealer, I didn't put on any makeup yet because I wanted to see how it would look even before applying foundation. Typically, I would apply my concealer on top of my foundation under my eyes, on my nose, down my chin, in those places. But this concealer, it can be used in that same way on top of foundation, but it can also be used as a spot corrector. Let's start out by swatching this color. Not too sure how this will be, but I do like that it comes in this packaging that it looks like a lipstick that makes it very travel friendly. Oh, this color actually looks really nice. I am very curious to see how this is going to look on my skin because it also does look kind of full coverage from that swatch. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my under eyes. Maybe I'll also put some on my cheeks and see how it does at covering the redness there. But also this shape, this like lipstick shape for the concealer is really nice for getting the under eyes and all the way into the corner here. And it actually kind of has like the texture of a lipstick. It's a very creamy texture. Wow. All right, so I'm just going to blend this in. I just feel like using my finger, feel like I'll get better control by blending it in this way, but could definitely use a brush or even a sponge to blend it in like I would any other concealer. Okay, wow, look at that difference. I think that this has some nice coverage and it looks very hydrating to my under eye too. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it now onto my cheek and my nose a bit and see how it does at covering my large pores and the redness. Yeah, so I could definitely see how this would be really great as just like a spot corrector because it does have good pigment, good coverage. It's like a thicker formula, which is great for spot coverage, but it's also blending out really nicely too. Like this shade, I feel like I could blend it out and have it just be an entire foundation look for me. But wow, look at that difference. This side, no makeup. This side with the concealer on it, like it's evened out my skin tone, it's covered up the imperfections so nicely. And for $1. Like I'm actually pretty happy with this shade too, this shade number 4. I think right now it's the lightest shade available on the ShopMissA website, but pretty good match I'd say for my skin tone right now. And it does have good coverage. It's not full coverage to the level of like my Tarte Shape Tape or any types of concealers like that, but it's like medium buildable coverage. So my redness looks completely reduced. It's sitting really nicely on top of the large pores, and then my dark under eye circles have basically gone away. So this would be so perfect for like a minimal makeup type of day. I could definitely just use this as a spot treatment. Also because it's a good color that blends in with the rest of my skin, that I don't need to completely cover my whole face in this shade because it matches so well. Also just for under eyes on top of foundation, this would work great because of that nice coverage. And I just love how smooth it looks on my skin. It doesn't look drying, it doesn't look cakey. It's creasing a tiny bit under my eyes, but every concealer does because I do have a few lines underneath my eye, so I would just want to set this with setting powder the way I do every concealer. But wow, I am so pleasantly surprised. I cannot believe this is only $1. Yay! So I highly recommend this if you're just looking for an inexpensive, easy to use concealer. I think that this is a great option. This is probably going to become something that I use daily, that I just leave right on my dresser for whenever I just need to touch up any spots. It's also so travel friendly, so when I'm going out, I could just throw this into my bag. I'm just happy about pretty much everything about this product right here. I think that I'm also going to have to go back onto the ShopMissA website and buy more of these. I mean, you get a decent amount of product, but if this is going to become a daily product for me, I'm going to need more of these. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.